I'm going to show you how to change a flat tire. My wife just called me and I'm here to fix it. Got a 2018 Ford Edge. That is flat as it can be. When you're about to swap your tire out, make sure that your car is in park, you have your parking brake on, and that you're in a safe area and you put your hazards on. In the back of the Ford Edge, there's a little handle here. Pick it up. Spare tires in there. Should have a jack underneath. Turn it counterclockwise, lefty-loosey. Inspect the tire, make sure that it's good to go, pumped up. Pull it out. To release the jack, there's another thing that you need to turn counterclockwise to get your jack out. Once you got it out, pull it straight out. Twist the knob on the left, loosen it up so you can get these pieces out. See? Pull this piece right here to lift it open. Loosen all the bolts before you lift the tire out. Alright, so I've got all 5 of these where I can loosen them with my hands, and then that's how you know it's time to jack it up. There's arrows underneath here to let you know that you should put your jack right on this beam right here. It should look like this. Luckily I have this cheat tool, my impact. Just put it on here. You want it where your tire is about ½ an inch from under the ground there, so it'll slide right off, slide right off. Put your new tire on and then put the bolts back on hand tight in a star pattern. Alright, when I say star pattern, I mean here, 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 here. I got them all hand tight. I haven't wrenched down on them yet. I still got my jack up, and now I'm going to slowly lower it. Alright, jack's off. Now it's time to tighten it. Star pattern.